Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be publishing HSL bus line 570, which is the final trunk bus line. After that, all trunk bus lines have been created, and apart from some minibus lines and also the final line which I'm still withholding, all Helsinki-based HSL bus lines have been created, and we have this concept of U-lines, but U-lines will come later. I will start by creating a line. The reason why I'm creating these lines, trunk lines now, is that I want to avoid creating the Eastern Helsinki minibus lines. They are a bit difficult. But so, we start from Melumäki, and then we stop at Kehästi, and then we stop at Kuulakuja, and then at the Marathontie. Okay. Following stop then is Rajakyläntie, but I guess that from Rajakyläntie it will continue to Seivästi, so I will need to build a connection here. All right, let's do it. Let's see if it would accept. Oops, if it would accept a double track or. Yeah, it did. It didn't do any tricks. Let's go to the signals. Okay, so that's the slide issue there. Right, well, let's put it this way then. And then let's just delete those. And that's all right now. So let's build the blueprints and stop at Rajakyläntie and at Seivästi. Then we're gonna stop at Louhikkotie and Somerikko-polku. The following stop is at Kirkkokuja. Where is that? Where the hell am I? So it's gonna be over here. And after Kirkkokuja, we're gonna stop at Vaaralan Talkotie. Then we're gonna stop at Hevoshaanpolku. And at Hakunila. At Pitkäsentie. At Pelto-Ojantie. At Kyytitie. And then the following stop is Kanerva. So we're obviously continuing straight from here and then turning right from here. An interesting choice we have there. Whoever the fuck it traffic planner is. Let's build those blueprints. Have a look at the signals. They're all fine. So let's go back to lines. And after QTT, we're gonna stop at Kanerva. Fuck. Then we're gonna stop at Hakintie. Okay, that's clearly not the place. Now I lost it. What the fuck? Where was I? There was I. Then at Hakintie. At Urheilutie. Then at Lauri Korpisen katu. Where the hell is that? So it's gonna... Okay. Okay. So there we go. That part of the road has been built. Let's go back to the lines. And make sure that after Urheilutie we stop at Lauri Korpisen katu. And then we stop at Tikkurilan lukio. The following stop is at Vaidepolku. Then at the Tikkurilan matkakeskus. Vehkapolku. Orvokkitie. Peltolan tori. Okay. Lauhatie. Where the fuck is that? Oh, it's over here. Okay. After Lauhatie, we stop at Mesikukantie. At Puutarhatie. At Niittytie. Sorry about that. The following stop is at Köyhämäki, so we're just gonna continue. What the hell? Okay. Let's just see about that. So the Köyhämäki is... Wait, what? Okay, so the Köyhämäki stop is not on the road below. It's actually a city road stop over here. An interesting turn of events here. So let's delete the station. After Köyhämäki, we stop at the Mantaalitie. Mantalsvein. Okay, let's build a bridge here. Oops. After Mantaalitie, we will stop at the Äyritie. So obviously, okay, this is interesting. Well, any fuck. Yeah, so. There we go. So, Niitytie, Köyhämäki, Mantaalitie. There would be an Äyritie stop, but Äyritie has sadly been created in the wrong... No, it hasn't. Wait a second. So the following stop is then at Jumbo. Then we're gonna stop at Väinö Tannerintie, but which Väinö Tannerintie stop? That's the question. Because the following stop is at Silvastintie. That's the place where we'll stop. And then we'll stop at Silvastintie. Sorry about that. And then at the Virkamies. Then we will turn to Aviapolis. Then we will stop at Teknikuntie. And finally, the airport. Whoa! That was an operation to find out how this line runs, but nevertheless, I succeeded. And that's it. So, roads have been built and line has been created. Let's have a look at the timetable. It's a wait a second, what does that mean? It's a 10-minute line. Yep, it's a 10-minute line. So, let's buy some buses once again. Come on. That's supposed to be a 3. So, 2 hours means that I will probably need 12 buses in order to run it. Every 10 minutes. That's quite a demand. Now we're at 30 minutes. Still some way to go. Still some way to go. Okay, that's 10 minutes. So, roads have been built, a line has been created, buses have been bought, and everything is up and running. There will be a new video tomorrow, so until then, bye.